Hi everyone, I thought I'd make a quick video tutorial on how to make an interactive PowerPoint so that when you get up to this part of your assignment, you are able to make a really cool looking resource and someone might be able to learn something new from it. So that's the whole point. So here's my cool instrument. This is what I've been researching for a while, and I've started making a really nice PowerPoint, and ideally I would have finished. And once I have finished, then I would start to create these links. So I'd like this word history, and this word context and capabilities. I'd like these to link to different slides that I've made. And you can see them down here. And you might have a number of slides per heading, but because I've just whipped this together, it's quite small. So I'd like this history to link to this slide here. Context to the context slide and so forth. And so how do I do that? Well, I right click. I make sure I select the whole thing here, not just a letter. Hyperlink. And I make sure this document is selected, and I go to slide titles and I choose the slide I want it to link to. Because I've clicked on history, I'm going to make sure that it links to the history slide and then click OK. So we're going to do the same for context. Hyperlink. This document, slide titles, context. Good. Okay. Let's do capabilities. Right click, hyperlink. Now the reason I'm not doing first slide, last slide, next slide, previous slide is because if I reorder my slides, then those links are going to change. So I want to make sure this links straight to the slide that I want. Capabilities. Okay. And artists. Here we go. Hyperlink. This document. People who use this cool instrument. All right. First things first. Let's check to see if the links have worked. Alright, so I'm in the PowerPoint. It looks all nice and cool. Let's go to capabilities. Great, and that's linked straight to the capabilities slide. And you can see it's not the next slide, it's actually my fourth slide in the PowerPoint, which is great. Okay, good. First things first, we've created some links. The next thing you want to do is create some kind of home or back arrow to get you back to the main menu. You might also have more, you would most likely have more tiles than this. With maybe a bibliography here as well. There was definitely a bibliography here as well. So let's create a back arrow. For that I'm going to insert, I could do shapes or icons. Let's try icons, see what comes up. Okay, this looks pretty good. Nice. Oh, arrows, perfect, that's what I want. I guess you could use other icons as well. Just make sure it's really clear, or write the word home or back or something like that. I'm going to use, let's use this arrow here. So I'm going to select that and insert it. And here it is, perfect. I'm going to pop it right there. And now what I want to do is right click, hyperlink, and I want it to go to, I could click first slide, but just to be safe, in case I change things around, I'm going to click on the name of the first slide. So it's only going to be this slide no matter where it is. Okay. And now, this is the cool bit, I'm going to copy it. Okay. So, and that way, when I paste it, it's going to have the same link information. And we'll test this right now. So I'm going to go to my main menu. Let's pull up the slide. Let's go to artists. Nice. People use this cool instrument. Banana Salad, Extra Jim, and Concrete Cameron, all very prominent artists. And I'm going to click back. Hey, and I'm back here. Capabilities. Oh, nice. Good. Context. Oh, very informative. Excellent. Cool. Well, I hope that helps. And I'm looking forward to seeing your PowerPoints. If you have any problems, shoot me an email or come and talk to me. More than happy to help.